Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show, yo.
And said, this is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career.
It's infinite.
I've been in television for 30 years.
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
I want to blow this up on Instagram.
Listen,
I want to.
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
You know what I mean?
So cool. You have any?
What's so funny?
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before? Was it easier having...
You having to listen to those goddamn answers?
What's so funny?
Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show, yo. I'm on the freaking Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm going to blow this up on my social media.
Listen,
I'm going to blow this up on Instagram.
Listen,
I want to blow... What?
Just don't tell him it's the Jimmy Falcon show, man.
I'm going to blow up... Boy, killing it, boy. Killing it.